Good morning, children. I hope you all are at home and you all are safe. Yes. So now we'll continue with our topic animals. Animals are of three types: pet animals, domestic animals and wild animals. We have already studied pet animals and domestic animals last time, and we have also done the revision of the same. Yes. And today we are going to do the wild animals, and before that we'll be just looking at the pet and the domestic animals, and we will be revising the same. So these are the pet animals: dog, and baby dog is called puppy; cat and kitten. Then we have turtle, we have rabbit, we have hamsters and mouse. अभी ये तो choice है, अगर if you like it you can keep them at your place. Parrot, goldfish and the tropical colorful fishes. These are the pet animals and pet birds. And pet animals are the animals or birds which we keep in our house, जो हम हमारे घर के अंदर हमारे साथ रखते हैं. These are those animals. Now dog, fish, rabbit, turtle or tortoise and cat. These animals are small and we can keep them in our house. These animals are with us for our entertainment. Means हमें ये पसंद है इसलिए हम उनको घर पे रखते हैं. Dog lives in the kennel. Rabbit lives in the burrow. Fish lives in the water, and in our house it lives in the fish tank. Cat lives in the basket. Tortoise we keep it in a tub. और rabbit बाहर है तो burrow में रहता है, but when it is in our house it stays in a basket. Next are the domestic animals. These are also known as the farm animals. ये थोड़े बड़े होते हैं. They are with us. वो हमारे साथ रहते हैं, but not inside the house, but outside the house. ये घर के बाहर रहते हैं. And these animals, they help us. And how do they help us? Come, let's see. Cow and buffalo. The babies are called calf, and they give us milk. And this milk is used for our day-to-day life. हम लोग milk पीते हैं. We make tea, coffee. That also is made from the milk. Our ghee, butter, buttermilk, dahi, curd. This all things are made from milk. And ये milk हमें कौन देता है? It is the cow and the buffalo. Then we have goat, sheep and pig. Goat also gives us milk. Sheep gives us wool. And pig helps in cleaning our society gutters. Then we have horse and camel. They both are used for riding. When in olden days कोई car, कोई vehicle नहीं था, that time people used to sit on these domestic animals and they used to go from one village to another, one place to another place. So now let's start with wild animals. These are some big animals. Some of them are small also, but these are dangerous also. थोड़े से dangerous भी है. That is why we cannot keep them in our house. आपको lion बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Yes, बहुत अच्छा है lion आपको पसंद है तो. But can you keep the lion in your house? और can I keep? अभी जिराफ मेरा favorite animal है, but मैं उसको मेरे घर में रख सकती हूँ. वो मेरे घर में रह सकता है क्या? No, we cannot keep them in our house. They live in the forest or the jungle. So these are some wild animals: lion, elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, leopard, giraffe, zebra. There's a yak, but yak lives in a cold region. वो बाहर भी रहती है. Reindeer, hippopotamus, kangaroo, bear, deer, fox, nilgai, wolf, mongoose, chimpanzee, gorilla, panda. अभी ये सब आपको याद नहीं रखना है, ऑल द स्पेलिंग्स आर हार्ड, टीचर ने फ्यू सिलेक्टेड ही आपको इसमें से करवाए हैं, बट ऑल दीज एनिमल्स दे लिव इन द जंगल or the forest. So let's begin with the cat family. These all 4 animals, they are from the cat family. The first one is lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. जैसे हम लोग ने fruits पढ़ा था, mango is the king of the fruits. Brinjal was the king of the vegetables. तो पूरे जंगल का राजा कौन है? इट इज द लायन. लायन, उनका फेस देखो, आजू बाजू में इट इज अ मेन, बहुत सारे हेयर है, दैट हेयर आर कॉल्ड मेन. एंड द गर्ल लायन इज कॉल्ड लायनेस एंड द बेबी इज कॉल्ड कब. देन इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर यू कैन सी टाइगर. Tiger is also a wild animal and it is very very dangerous. It has black color stripes on the body. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ये जो lines है, they are the stripes of the lion. और ये ऐसे stripes सिर्फ 2 ही animals में है, एक lion tiger के पास और एक zebra के पास, which we will see now. This animal is cheetah and this is jaguar or the leopard. अभी आप उनकी बॉडी देखो, यहाँ पे देखो, चीता के बॉडी में डॉट डॉट्स है, जैसे प्रॉपर डॉट्स करते हैं हम वैसे. बट व्हेन यू सी द लेपर्ड, सी टीचर शोइंग यू, सी ये जो डॉट्स प्रॉपर डॉट 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 है. बट व्हेन यू सी द लेपर्ड इट इज लाइक अ राउंड, थोड़े फ्लावर जैसे डिजाइन है. यू कैन सी प्रॉपरली. एंड इनके बेबीज को भी कब बोलते हैं. And they all belong to the cat family. Lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, jaguar, panther, ये सब cat family के है. And the babies are called cub. Cheetah is the fastest running animal. सब इतने सारे animals है, pet, domestic, wild, but सबसे fast कौन भागता है? तो इट इज द चीता, बिकॉज द लेग्स ऑफ द चीता दे आर वेरी थिन, बहुत ही पतले और लंबे लेग्स है उनके पास. दैट इज वाई चीता कैन रन वेरी वेरी फास्ट. एंड यू नो व्हाट डज चीता एंड लेपर्ड डू? वो लोग ट्री के ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं और छुप के बैठते हैं. एंड व्हेन दे सी सम स्मॉल एनिमल, वो उनके ऊपर जंप करके उनको पकड़ लेते हैं. एंड लायन, टाइगर, even they are flesh eating animals. These all 4 animals are flesh eating animals. Flesh matlab these animals will eat the other small animals. Now next, these are the grass eating animals. The first one is giraffe, which is my favorite. Second one is zebra. Next is the deer. And the fourth one is elephant. You can see the zebra and the giraffe and the giraffe baby is called calf. उसको calf बोलते हैं. And giraffe, they belong to the cow family and they are grass eating animals. And giraffe has a long neck and long legs also. And जब भी वो जिराफ खड़ा होता है तो ऐसे लगता है इट कैन गो अप टू फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकेंड फ्लोर तक उसका नेक आता है. एंड इट इज वेरी काम, वो कभी गुस्से में नहीं होता. एंड इट इज अ वेरी काम एनिमल. अगर कोई उसको परेशान करेगा तो इट विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग. इट विल जस्ट ईट द ग्रास. और वो अपने फैमिली के साथ, अपने ग्रुप के साथ रहता है. यू नो टीचर फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू, इवन द लायन, टाइगर, ये सब भी, लायंस स्पेशली, ये सब अपने फैमिली के साथ ही रहते हैं. एंड ऑल दीज 4 एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, ये हमेशा अपने फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं. दे विल नॉट लिव अलोन. टाइगर्स विल लिव अलोन, बट जिराफ, ज़ेब्रा, एलिफेंट, डियर, ये सब जब भी आप कभी भी अगर जंगल जाओगे, जंगल जा सकते हैं हम सफारी के लिए, that time if you see these animals, ये हमेशा they will live with their families, they will never live alone. Next is the zebra. Zebra belongs to the horse family. Horse, donkey and zebra, they all belong to the horse family because वो horse के जैसा दिखता है, yes or no? And it has black color stripes. The zebra is black and white in color. जब भी टाइगर था तो टाइगर आपने देखा, it had black color stripes. Same way the zebra also has the black color stripes. And the baby is called foal. F-O-A-L, foal. The next is deer. The deer baby is called fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. And the deer, they are small animals. And जैसे चीता और लेपर्ड के बॉडी में डॉट्स थे, स्पॉट्स, सेम वे इनके बॉडी में भी वाइट कलर के स्पॉट्स होते हैं यहाँ पे. एंड डियर्स भी बहुत ही फास्ट हॉप करके जा सकते हैं. वेन एवर इट फील्स, डियर को ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं अभी मुझे डेंजर है, कोई लायन टाइगर आने वाला है, तो इट विल रन वेरी वेरी फास्ट एंड उसको खुद को बचाने की कोशिश करेगा वो. द नेक्स्ट इज एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट इज द क्यूटेस्ट एनिमल ऑफ ऑल, बट वेन इट इज एंग्री, अगर वो गुस्सा हो गया तो इट इज वेरी वेरी डेंजरस ऑल्सो. And elephants will always live in their family to protect their babies. And even the elephant baby is called calf because it belongs to the cow family. Giraffe baby calf and elephant baby is also calf. And giraffe is the tallest, सबसे लंबा animal, and the biggest animal is elephant. सबसे बड़ा animal is elephant. Because it is very very big and huge and a fat animal. And all these four animals are the grass eating animals. और ये सब अपने families के साथ ही रहते हैं. Now lion lives in the den, tiger lives in the caves. And ये जो सब animals है, ये लोग ट्री के नीचे रहते हैं because trees are the shelter for these animals. ट्री के नीचे वो लोग रहते हैं सब मिलके. The next is monkey and the baby monkeys are called infant. और वो हमेशा अपने मम्मी के साथ चिपक के ही रहते हैं. They'll not live alone because the baby monkeys are very very small and cute. And monkey भी पूरे अपने फैमिली के साथ ही रहता है. Then this is wolf and the fox. Wolf हमेशा, आप जब भी देखोगे ना, एक सिंगल wolf तो दिखेगा ही नहीं in the jungle. It is always in a group and the group will hunt together. वो सब hunting के लिए साथ में जाएंगे. And wolf and fox they belong to the dog family. इसीलिए उनके babies को pup कहते हैं, P-U-P, pup. And this bear, the bear baby is also a cub. The bear baby is also known as cub. And bears you get in 3 different colors. Black bear, the brown bear. वो रीजन का भी एरिया कैसा है, कौन सा जंगल है, वहाँ पे गर्मी कैसी है, उसके ऊपर से they live over there. There are brown bears and black bears. But जहाँ पे बर्फ होता है, ice mountain, there you get the white color bear. And those white color bear are called polar bear. They are the polar bear. And these animals are also dangerous. Even the monkey is dangerous. अगर उसे गुस्सा आ गया then it is also dangerous. वो आपको scratch कर देगा उसके fingernails से. So these were the wild animals. Let's revise it one more time. Lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, giraffe, zebra, deer, elephant, monkey, wolf, fox and bear. So these are the wild animals and they all live in the jungle. And आपको किसी को सॉन्ग तो आता ही होगा जंगल का, yes or no? ये सब एनिमल्स का कुछ सॉन्ग अगर आपको आता है तो यू डू वन थिंग, आप अपने वॉइस में अच्छे से उसको रिकॉर्डिंग करो एंड यू सेंड इट टू मी. ओके, दिस इज नॉट योर होम असाइनमेंट. अगर आपको अच्छा सा कोई एनिमल का पोएम आता है तो आप उसको अच्छे से रिकॉर्डिंग करो एंड यू सेंड इट टू मी. ओके, एंड योर होम असाइनमेंट टीचर विल शो यू नाउ. So this is your home assignment. 23rd of October and Friday. You are going to write down the heading wild animals and you are going to write all these names of the animals. Lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, elephant, giraffe, zebra, deer, monkey, fox, wolf and bear. There are 12 animals. I will send the photograph also. So you can write down that nicely. Now we will remove the EVS activity book and we will see what activity we are going to do in that book now. So this is your EVS activity book. You are going to match these animals to their homes. So the first one is honeybee, sparrow, dog, horse and mouse. The first one is honeybee. Honeybee lives in a honeycomb. So you are going to match the honeybee and the honeycomb. The bird or the sparrow lives in the nest. Dog lives in the kennel. हम लोग ने अभी स्लाइड में भी देखा था. Yes. The horse lives in the stable. And the mouse lives in the hole. You are going to write down the date. Today's date is 23rd October 2020. Okay, and you are going to do this matching. Same way the second page matching you are going to do. The same date you will write down, 23rd October 2020. And here the animals, see which animals are given to us. Lion, crocodile, bear, monkey and camel. And where do they live? Let us see. So this is a river, a pond. There's a den. Then there are mountains over here. Then we have the cave. ये गुफा है, cave. And this is the tree. So come, these are the desert. Sorry, this is the desert place, mountains and desert. So come, let's match. The lion. The lion will live in the den because lion is the king of the jungle which lives in the den. So we are going to match it. Crocodile will live in the river. Bear will live in the cave. Cave मतलब गुफा. Monkeys will live on the trees. वो ट्री के ऊपर रहते हैं. And the camel will live in the desert. So you are going to do the matching. Write the date and these both the pages are your home assignment. Do it nicely. Click the photograph and send it to me. So you have 2 home assignments today. This book and the EVS sketchbook. So my dear children, thank you so much. Say bye to all the animals today. And you're going to stay home and stay safe. Teacher misses you a lot. Bye bye my dear children. Have a nice day.